Hi there, Ronaldo here from Enlightened Super Trade Education. Today we're going to look and discuss about the Euro US dollar in regards to the forecast. My forecast is I'm bullish with the Euro dollar as of next week. And the reason being is this. Notice how you have an uncertainty candle that happened this week. I have a bunch of higher lows, yet of course I cannot ignore the lower highs right there. So it's currently forming a wedge, and they need to retest the highs that basically performed early of March. It's been 2 months. So if it breaks out, then great. We're going to see a big movement of the euro just to correct itself. Basically, let me minimize that. All the way to 109.68. So it forms next week a bullish candle forming a morning star, then easy. This is going to go all the way to 110.70 to 111.71, moving towards around 115 just to double check, making sure that it is still on the right track. So if I also look at the dollar index, there is some form of anomaly between the dollar index and the euro against the dollar. Currently, it's up 0.1%. I know the market is about to close, but if you look at the euro, it's also up 0.14%. So the question is why? Why is it that the dollar index is also very bullish and the euro is uncertain? So technically, being the euro having a 57.3 geometric weighted mean with the dollar index, then technically the euro should be down here right now. So something is holding up, and we're dealing here with the macro fundamentals in regards to the stimulus, how actually the government, they're thinking of extending the stimulus. And then that means that they also have to print more money somewhere sometime in the future. With the economy not doing so great, businesses are basically shutting down, and hence they need to create some form of more debt in order for the economy to keep running. So if that would be the case based on the dollar, then the dollar will its value will devaluate. So when that happens, being bearish with the dollar index, then technically, if this will come back all the way down to retest 94.65, then the euro and the rest of the major currencies will also go up. Of course, each and every country will have their own way of in terms of its economy, but when it comes to the euro and the US dollar itself being the geometric weighted mean, that it has to follow suit basically from there. So it's an inverse relationship. All right, so I am bullish with the dollar index. I'm sorry, with the euro. I'm bearish with the dollar index, despite being positive. If it breaks, then great. Then it will go to 102. Then my euro trade now then is going to fail. Then this is gonna drop and continue its downtrend, or the price to the downside. So that's based on the weekly. If I go through the daily time frame, on the other hand, so notice it's just hovering within the demand area. Could it possibly go back to 108.78, 108.80? Absolutely. If it breaks out from here, then it will test all these correctional price points. Likewise with the dollar index being at a level of supply, currently it's struggling. So unless this one chooses to drop on Sunday, Monday, then you'll see that the euro will continue to go to the upside. All right, so that's my report basically for the euro against the US dollar and the dollar index itself. If you want to know more, please feel free to email me, and I'm more than happy to give you access to the trade support classes, and of course, getting your free e-learning course for beginners. All right, guys, thank you very much for listening. Hope that makes sense. Take care until next time. Happy trading. Or if you have any questions, please email me at esttraders@gmail.com. All righty, take care, be safe, wash your hands, and I'm out.